These three channels are quietly making millions every month. This channel has around 300 videos, yet it's sitting at 6 million subscribers. Another one uploaded less than 250 videos and crossed 2 billion views. That's not luck, that's a system working perfectly. And no, this isn't because Roblox is popular, it's because these creators understand how attention actually works. And Roblox content is literally designed for retention. And here's the crazy part, they're not using high-end editing, crazy storytelling, or even original ideas. They're doing something very simple, but very smart. Most people scroll past this niche thinking, it's just kids' content. That's the mistake. Because this niche isn't built on creativity, it's built on human behavior. Let me explain. These creators are using Roblox, but not in the way most people think. They're not trying to be the best player. They're not even trying to be funny on purpose. They're creating moments. Small, fast, unpredictable moments that reset your brain every few seconds. And that's exactly what short-form platforms love. You don't need to understand the game. Your brain just stays because it wants to see what happens next. That's why this works on YouTube. Now here's the part most people miss. If you just copy these channels, same game, same style, same editing, you'll fail. Because this niche is crowded. The winners aren't the ones playing the game better. They're the ones creating personality inside the game. Small reactions, timing, simple storytelling. They turn gameplay into a tiny story every 20 seconds. That's the real skill. And that's why these channels grow so fast, while thousands of others stay invisible. If you understand how people think, how they react, and what makes them stay, you can apply this to any game, any format. That's why this niche will still work in 2026. If you're watching this and still not taking action, your problem isn't strategy, it's mindset. I explained that clearly in my last video, and now I'll tell you the real reason why most people fail on YouTube. It's not the niche, it's the fact that they never start.